head and you ain't even bust a
See,
note.
You're already making her blush.
You are so beautiful to me. You are so beautiful to me. Can't you see? You're everything that I hope for. You're everything I need. You are so beautiful.
All right, bro, you showing up right now. You doing too much. Thank you. I just said goddamn. Yeah, so you about to give a whole damn concert, man. Goddamn.
Got chills over here and everything.
That was good.
Rosemary over here tripping. She turning all pink and shit. Curls falling all straight. You know what I'm saying?
Beautiful on that one.
That was beautiful.
You got the professor tripping right now. Come on, man. Hey, professor, what do you call that? That's not chimpanzee action right there, right?
No, that was real talk.
Professor's,
That was real talk.
Yeah.
The professor's glasses getting all fogged up and stuff over here.
Yeah, he's screaming over there, man. Yes. So thank y'all for tuning into the reality show.
That was beautiful. Thank you.
Yes, that was beautiful. Yes, what you got
Thank you
going
guys,
on, man?
man.
Where can Cynthia find some more of your good singing?
So yeah, you can find me on social media. I am Damien Music, and my name is Damien again, and DamienLawson.com too.
You got some stuff coming up too, right?
Yeah, I got some stuff coming up. I should be releasing a single in the next couple of months,
Okay.
so I'm gonna start my promo for my single in a couple of weeks now.
Nice.
Yeah, so
You got any hot producers on there? Any hot producers? Any hot producers? Any hot producers? Any hot producers?
yeah, I got Dave E is one of the producers. My brother here that's in the studio with me,
Nice.
Dre, he's
Okay.
producing some of the songs on there.
Dopeness.
Yeah, it's gonna be a really dope album. It's gonna be me instead of
Yeah,
what
yeah,
you
yeah.
saw on The Voice. It's gonna
Yeah,
be
yeah,
real me.
I can't wait to hear that. You're a talented brother, man.
All right,
I
thanks.
I appreciate it.
it.
Anytime you need to come back and straighten Cynthia's hair out here, just let me know.
You guys, thanks for having me. I had a
They
good
have the
time.
straightest, whitest teeth you've ever seen.
Look at her.
They're
She
beautiful.
notices shit now. You know,
Curly white.
you notice that shit before he started singing or after. Now she
But
noticing
thank
your
you. I
teeth.
appreciate that.
God damn.
That was really beautiful.
You notice his lineup? He got a nice lineup too. You notice that?
Thank you all. Thank you all who tuned in.
Yes.
Thank you all who tuned in to the show. Thank you for listening to us.
Where can they
and
find
to
you?
our nonsense? They can find me on Miss Rosemary Lopez, MS Rosemary Lopez.
Cynthia, where can
with
they
the
find
Z.
you?
You can find me on Cinnabon, at Cinnabon, CYN_ABUN.
Cinnabon. Damon, you already know where they can find you on IG, right? You already shout your shit out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Damien, I am Damien Music.
Damon Music.
Yeah.
And Mr. Professor Ken, where can they find you?
Right here, once in a while.
Online, man. I know you
or at
old as
CSUN.
Methuselah, but
Or
online.
at CSUN study,
yeah.
teaching
CSUN.
Buddhism.
Woo woo.
Buddhism, man. Get it right. Buddhism.
Listen.
Yes. And you can find me, Unica King, aka the Prince Nasir, Instagram. Of course, my man Doomy's doing this thing right here on Top Flight Media.
Yeah.
Really, all the dope fly pics and all that stuff. But yes, we out of time here, people. But thank y'all for tuning into Reality Show. Till next time. Deuces.
We out.
I'm sorry I didn't call today. Hey, I hope that we meet again one day. Hey, I apologize. I didn't mean to make you cry. When I look in your eyes, wish those tears could dry.